last video we worked on the butterfly stretch, and we want to shift from the butterfly stretch towards the one-legged or half butterfly stretch. So first of all, we have to see that our sitting is done correctly. So I'm using my sitting bones once again. Don't forget, if you need any sort of extra height to sit on, take your pillow or anything that gives you not a soft pillow. So to shift from the butterfly to the half butterfly, I don't want this to happen. I don't want to, oh, let's see it from the other direction. I don't want this to happen. I don't want your pelvis to rotate towards this leg. That's because it's not a symmetric kind of stretch. One leg goes here, the other leg goes there. So the pelvis really wants to rotate towards the bent leg. And we don't want that to happen. So what we want to do is basically start from the full butterfly sitting mode, okay? And really use my sitting bones to grow with my head and my back, using my pelvis, which grows also above the sitting bones, and maintaining that growing sensation and maintaining that direction. I take my leg forward, okay? Let's see the shift again. Using my ground, directing myself up to move the leg. So I keep on directing myself up as I take my right leg forward to the straight mode. Now let's see the stretch itself. It's all over again. It's just the same as the first one. I'm growing and tilting myself forward while still growing upwards towards this direction. Now I don't want to do this. A lot of people do these stretches like this. They lose their spine. Okay, I don't want to bend my spine in the middle. I want it to move united towards my feet. So I'm growing upwards and bending, including, see that my pelvis is bending, is part of the bending movement. And I breathe out. Now right here I can give myself some more. If I just use my grounding, my feet, like pressing the imaginary ground I have and growing, pressing and growing so I can move some more. And the stretch is really felt in that position. And then I go backwards and articulate all my vertebrae up till the bottom one, up till the top one, and come back. Let's see the other position while we still maintain our grounding and growing. Grounding and growing to shift to the other position. Now you can use another thing here. You can really raise your arms, grow, and then move. And you can really use the ground here and move with the whole of your spine and your pelvis towards the front foot. Stepping, grounding, growing, going. And back. You can do this for 2 or 3 times for each leg. I think it's more than enough. And stay within the stretch for a couple of seconds. Breathe in and breathe out a couple of times. That's enough. You'll feel it. Trust me.